Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to add about 3x squared. That means we need to minus about negative 3x squared. Then we need to add about 9 or negative number 9. Later that we need to add back positive number 9. So this one we can do about factorization by s squared. This one by negative number 3. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we have like this. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. Number 3, that's about 3s. And now we just concentrate about this one. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to the square root of number 3 times t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 3 times t squared, number 3. We can do about factorization, times t squared plus 1. We change by secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by ds. ds we have the square root of number 3, secant of t squared, dt. So I will put this one gone here. ds we change by this one. This one we have 3 times t squared. Number 3, we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of t squared. And now we need to simplify it on numerator and denominator. So 9 divided by 3, we have number 3. And this one we have like this. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 3. And we have t equal to arctan of s over the square root of number 3. So I will put this one to change for t. And now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.